Retro keyboard at an affordable price? Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the mouse and keyboard combo from Miniso. Not only can buy toys and makeup at Miniso, now you can buy electronics and of course, computer accessories like mouse and keyboard. For the price of 1,000 pesos, this is a sure win. So I'll try my best to link this product in the description box since this product sells like pancakes on their stores. Now out of the box we have the mouse and keyboard combo and the combo receiver. Now for the mouse, I'm not intended to use this since it feels a little bit cheap for me and I just don't like it. So this has a feature of a silent click, so if you're one of those guys who like to be silent, this is for you. Now, it's not the typical click like this normal mouse has. See that? This one has silent clicks. So that's good, but for me, it's not. Now, moving on this keyboard and design layout and why I bought this thing. Now, I was looking at the Logitech keyboard similar as this one with circular keys, but that is way expensive for my budget. That's why I went to the Miniso wireless keyboard. Now, it met my expectation with the retro look and the overall feel when you're typing on it. First, the keys are in retro style look. So it features a circular keys, not the typical keyboard that has a square type. And it has a membrane keyboard, so meaning this is not mechanical keyboard, it has membrane on it. And when you're typing on the keyboard, it has a good tactile feel. And it features a not too noisy keyboard. You're gonna need that if you're working with other people around you. You should have a minimal sounding keyboard, alright? You don't want to disturb someone. Okay, the overall feel here, guys, feels nice. We have a full layout of the keyboard. We have our numpad and our function keys here. And one thing I like about this keyboard is you can control the volume up and volume down, and you have media key buttons over here. All you have to do is just press the function key and toggle the volume up over here, or volume up or volume down over here, and of course play pause button and all of that functionalities on this keyboard. Spacing on the keys are well distanced, and after a few hours on typing on this thing, I got used to it very quickly. Now for the key sounds here, guys, it has minimum volume of loudness of the keyboard, so it's not really disturbing to others. Now here is a sound test while typing on it. Also, this is a full-size keyboard, so meaning it has the numpad and of course all the necessary keys that you need. Now, since this is a full-size keyboard, it still keeps its compact design. So meaning it's not going to take a huge space on your desk. Now I like that because I like minimalist things on my desk. I don't like clutter. And of course it's wireless. Now let's talk about the battery. Where is it, the battery? Now the battery is located at the back. Now we have the battery compartment here. Now this, Now this runs with a single AAA battery. Now you can also buy batteries on Miniso, but out of the box, this is not included with a battery. So now you will need to have your own battery. Now you can buy that at Miniso. Alright guys, now that's the over there. And at the bottom, guys, we have this 4 rubber feet. Now this is to prevent sliding on your desk. Now I like that because it's well thought out that they didn't forget the rubber feet there. And of course, it is angled a little bit, so you have that little angle there. And of course, there is no rubber feet there like the pop-up feet that we used to have on the regular keyboards. Now this has just the rubber paddings there, so it doesn't move. Now it stays there whether you're typing hard or whatever you're doing on the keyboard. It really stays on the desk. Now that's a good thing. Alright, now let's talk about the indicators here. We only have one singular indicator here. This is the light indicator. Now this lights up if the receiver is plugged on the computer. Now, whenever you press a button, you will see a light indicator that this is transmitting a signal to the receiver. Now, for the latency, now of course, this is a wireless keyboard. You will feel a little bit of latency when gaming. So this is not a gaming keyboard, so I don't recommend that. But if you're a video editor or just doing work or you're typing on the WordPress or anything that you are typing on it, this is a good keyboard. I love the layout. I like the overall retro feel of the circular buttons here, and I really recommend this keyboard. And of course, the function keys. You can control the volume, you can control the playback, you can control skip songs, and all of those. Alright, now some downside on this keyboard. First, it doesn't have a on and off switch. So you need that on and off switch so you don't accidentally press buttons on your keys when you're cleaning it, like you're tapping it like that, or you just want to wipe it. Now, all you have to do is just unplug this first, so the receiver, before you clean it, because you're going to accidentally type things on it. And another is the battery issue, guys. Now, this is a combo mouse and keyboard, right? But it features different batteries. Now, for the mouse, this is running a AA battery. So you need a AA battery that is not included on the package. And of course, guys, this part here is for the receiver. You can place that in. And remember, this keyboard runs on a AAA battery. So you have to buy two different types of batteries. You have to buy a AA battery and a AAA battery. So that's the downsides of this product. Alright guys, so anyway guys, that's it for this keyboard and mouse combo. If you're interested on getting a similar keyboard like this, I'll try my best to link in the description box. And again guys, my name is Hans Andres, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.
Cut.
Fingers